guys, welcome back to another episode of Bored and Hungry. Where are we going today, Ben?
Today we're going to be eating some fried chicken at a restaurant called Seoul Fried Chicken. It has a 4.5 on TripAdvisor, specializing in fried chicken with a southern style.
You ready for some fried chicken, Ben?
Super ready.
Yeah. It's also like minus 20 outside today. So it's like
But with
super
wind chill,
cold.
like probably minus 40.
Yeah.
Yay, we're here. The best deal is probably the 5-piece chicken set because it comes with 5 pieces of chicken. You can choose from one of the 7 flavors. You get a half-size salad, and there's like 5 choices there. And you choose between fries or corn fritter, and then you get a drink for $11.48. It's a super good deal.
Great deal.
This is the golden curry. That looks like yours, kind of. But it has the pesto mac and cheese because I love it.
Ready?
This is Luke's first bite.
So, oh damn, look at that. See it? It's really hot though, so. Man, it's so good. That's what I've been waiting for so long.
I'm gonna rip this up. Ooh, curry powder over here. Yum. Let's taste this.
How is it?
I like it. I thought it would be spicier, but it's not supposed to be spicy, I think. I could devour this like instantly right now. So good.
Oh yeah, that's so juicy. Oh my god.
Okay,
so
let's
good.
eat.
That's good chicken. What's this? What did you say?
That's some good southern style chicken.
Yeah, some good southern style chicken. So what's this one, Ben?
This is the garlic soy.
Nice. Looks so
Wow.
good.
Wow, look at that. Look at this.
So shiny.
Yeah.
Zoom in on that. Oh my
Pick it up.
god. Oh, your fingers are disgusting. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
You'll see it. Let's have a
Wanna
bite
eat
of
this
it.
part?
Oh yeah.
This is good.
Is it better than yours?
I think I like it more than the curry one.
Nice. I just finished eating and I'm like so full right
He
now.
didn't even finish his fries.
Of course I finish my food. I always finish my food.
Yeah, I'm super full, but I'm super happy with how much food I got.
Yeah, like for 11:40, you can't go wrong coming here. Right, so yeah, let's head out now, guys. Oh god, it's so cold. Ben, what'd you think of Seoul Fried Chicken, Ben?
I really liked it. The food was just super filling. We got so much of it just for about $12. I always order it with the pesto mac and cheese just
Yeah.
because it's like my favorite item there.
Yeah, that was really
But
good.
today I wanted to try a different flavor of chicken. I got the golden curry instead of the usual spicy barbecue, or SFC barbecue they call it there. I did not like it nearly as much as I liked the barbecue one, just because the flavor didn't really stand out. From a place like SFC, I wanted like a flavor that was like super memorable,
Yeah.
but I didn't quite get that with the golden curry.
So I got the SFC original, OG I guess you could call it. I really liked it. Like, it didn't have anything special about it, but it was just really good fried chicken, which I think that's what you go there for, right?
The thing I liked is the value.
Yeah.
Like I'm walking out of there like super full.
Yeah.
He didn't finish his fries.
One thing I liked was how prepared they seem to be. Like, they have like a roll of paper towels at the table because they know your hands are gonna get all dirty. Then they also have like a bucket like at every table for like garbage and stuff, so you could keep your table clean. So what do you give this place, Ben, out of 5?
I'd still give it a 4.5 out of 5.
4.5?
Yeah.
Nice. I think I'll give it like a 4.8 because I think for the value it's just so good.
Oh yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that like button.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
See ya.